And then I told them the story about it. And then sabi niya, I'm the producer here in the Philippines for that drama. So sabi ko, wow, it's a small world. Kasi yung kinanta ko rin actually sa audition, yung Shiosai no Memory. Yung Shiosai no Memory, yun yung yung OST ng Ama-chan drama. So yung Kite yo sono ki wo tobikoete Tsunami kaite I miss you Kita kaeru no Karashi Nakalimutan ko na. Tekiatsu ni noote Kutae mo kawa. Ah yes, yun yung nasa Band Lab. Favorite ko kasi yun. Ang ganda. Your stories are interesting. Sorry. Thank you so much. Yun. I'm Thai and Mayana is Oshi. Oy, thank you, JP. Luck is an opportunity you take. Exactly. That's true. So don't take your opportunities for granted. Wow. So dahil sa age, kaya ka naging special member. So lucky na nakapasa ka ng audition mo sa MNL40. Yeah. So, of course, I think my advocacy as an MNL48 special member is to, inspire people to don't give up on their dreams and always prepare for something that is gonna come soon even if you don't know yet. So yun talaga yung gusto kong i-advocate na no matter what, don't give up on your dreams if you want it. Yun lang. All clear. Thanks, Yana, for the short story about you becoming. Yes, move on na tayo. Daldal ko na naman eh. Okay, cool. Kala ko may solo part ka sa 365 tulad nila Line at Era. Actually, merong version. So, ilang beses na-cut kasi nga, ako that time. May sakit ako that time. Sorry. Pinakinggan ko palagi. No, thank you! So, actually, may Band Lab ako, pero hindi ko na siya na-update ngayon kasi nga, hindi na ako nakapag-recording. Pero very soon, I'll be adding more videos and also sa YouTube. So, there. And, yun. Ayun. Tapos ko na naman. Ganyan talaga pag Tita Line. Madami na. Sorry, oo nga. Actually, ang hirap kaya. Ikaw lang na nagsasalita mo. Nagreklamo. Anong name mo sa Band Lab? I think MNL48 Yana din, yes. Oy, happy 50k likes! Hi, Froppy! Wow, may mga dumadagdag pa. Thank you so much for 39 na nag-stay sa live. Okay. Hold on. Ayan, check ko nga yung mga binigay nyo sa akin na weekend yung weekend playlist nyo. Yeah. Ang powerful pag si Yana nag-deliver. Uy, thank you po! Eddie Meow, thank you! You're awesome! You're awesome too! Tuwing umuulan, ang sagot ni Kuya Levin. So, Nible.29. Sorry, napag-mimix ko na. So, tuwing umuulan, like kay Regine Velasquez. So, oh, may prompting. Of course! Instrumental lang, galing kay Cry_MNL48 ay MNL_animation. So, yes, ako din, nahilig din akong makinig ng instrumental. Of course, the famous Lo-Fi Girl. And mahilig akong makinig kay Nujabes. So, merong mga instrumental lang si Nujabes. You know him. So, isang reflection naman po dyan. Anong reflection yung song? Instrumental po pag hirap makatulog. True. Ang hilig ko talaga sa mga vocals. Yan. Yan. yung Reflection Friends too? Like yung song? Who is that girl I see? Yun? Sumaway pa. Staring straight back at me. And will my reflection someone I don't know? Yun. Favorite ko yun nung bata ako. Napag-halataan yung age na no? After Sheki, Oshi na po kita. Thank you, Edimia! Natataka ako bakit nawala yung OMD at 365 sa Instagram. Bakit kaya? I'm not sure. So, actually, admin ng MNL48 ang bahala. Nag-a-arrange for those, matters. So, yes. May admin tayo. So, yeah, of course, there are reasons for sure. Favorite theatrical song mo yan? On My Own. Yun yung first theater song na kinanta ko. And kinanta ko siya in a competition sa Makati. So, Makati Idol. Naalala ko yun. So, kinanta ko siya. So, pag sumasali ako sa singing contest, actually, hindi ako nananalo. Kasi yung mga kinakanta ko, theater songs, yung bata ako. So, of course, yung mga parents ko, pinipilit ako for the sake of winning na mag-aral ka ng mga matataas na songs, ganyan. But I don't feel them Nafe-feel ko yung bata ako, theater songs. So, on my own, feel ko yung kantahin. So, nung kinanta ko siya sa parang different concept competition, yung hindi typical singing contest, nanalo ako, guys, for the first time. So, yun lang, parang I just want to share. And magyabang. Yun, so sumasali ako, contestera ako dati, guys. So, yun, kinanta ko lang yun. Now I'm all alone again, nowhere to turn, no one to go to. Without a home, without a friend, without a face to say hello to. And now the night is clear, now I can make believe he is here. On my own, pretending he's beside me. All alone, I'll walk with him till morning. Without him, I feel his arms around me. And when I look up my way, close my eyes, and he has found me. Chares, yan. Favorite ko siya. So, thank you. Ganda ng diction mo kapag kumanta. Thanks. Pwede po pa-request, can you please sing Time After Time? Ayun ba yung kinover ng MNL48 before? Pinanood ko din yun. Thank you, Grim and Eddie Meow. So, yung if you fall, I will catch you. I'll be waiting. Time after time. Yay! May fan chant ka para sa sarili mo tulad ng kay MNL48 Gem. Pika, 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 Gem. Ang cute nga, nanonood ako noon dati kay Ate Gem. So, nanonood ako ng live niya. Pika, pika, gano'n. Cute. Pero ako, yun lang, yung ko, wala akong fan chant. Bigyan niyo nga ako suggestion. Mag-iisip din ako, of course. So, pero bigyan niyo ako ng suggestion. Anong bagay sa akin? Di ba nag-theater ka? Ilang theater acts na nagawa mo? So, of course, I started with school theater. So, meron kaming mga classical adaptation. So, pero favorite ko yung mga Filipino. Like El Filibusterismo, like that, yung No Limitangere, nung nag-school ako. Tapos, there was a time na meron pang excerpt, I think. I can't really remember. Sobrang tagal na nun. So, I joined din a drama. Parang drama challenge sa school. It's Pingkaw. So, para siyang you would copy a character. So, ayun, dun ko ako first, I think, na realize that I may have a potential to be, a lead theater. Kasi before, sumasali ako, syempre, mga bata pa ako, lagi lang angel, yung mga support, ganyan. Pero, nag-ano na din kami, nag-production ng Annie, ganyan. So, pero actually, hindi ako masyadong napipili. Kasi, as a theater kid, aminin na natin, kailangan natin ng pera. Kasi, of course, a-attend ka ng mga training, ng rehearsals, tapos may costumes, ganyan. So, nung nasa school ako, hindi kami mayaman, wala kaming ganun money. So, umiiyak ako actually that time kasi gusto ko talagang sumali pero wala kaming budget. So, sasabihin ng mom ko na, okay na yan, ganyan ka lang. But of course, sinusuportahan ako ng parents ko to the best that they can. Pero yun nga, yung hindi natin afford maging lead na ang daming ginagawa. So, pero nung nag-high school na, yun, mas more, na siya, production focused na hindi na kailangan ng masyadong budget. So, dun na ako nag-lead usually. Pero, hindi kasi ako nag-focus masyado kasi nga, I'm focusing on my studies that time. So, nag-audition ako before sa, makikita nyo yun, feeling ko sa YouTube, kung magaling kayo mag-search, makikita nyo yun, challenge ko. Wow! Nag-audition ako sa Miss Saigon. So, na-feature actually ako sa Jessica Soho. KM, kapuso mo Jessica? KMJS. Tama ba? Yeah. So, yun, na-feature ako before kasi I was the youngest auditionee for the Miss Saigon. Yun yung kinanta ko pa yung I'd Give My Life For You. Ay, thank you, heart signal. Yeah. So, mahirap kasi hindi nakalagay yung name ko dun eh. So, you who have cradled in my arms, you. Ayun, yung kinanta ko sa sa TikTok ko. Post. Thank you, Panbodobo. Ang cute. Panbodobo. Anong kakainin mo later? Gising ka na naman ng madaling araw. Yeah. Ay, gumawa ng mom ko. Ay, yung gumawa ng Graham cake yung mom ko. Picturean ko sa inyo sa Wala pa kasi akong minimum followers ako sana mag-open ng channel kasi gusto ko doon ako nag-a-update. So, yung ibang MNL48 member, meron silang mga channel. So, nag-join din ako kasi curious ako, of course. Doon sila nag-update. Gusto ko rin noon para ma-update ko kayo lagi. So, yeah. Pero going back to the question, favorite theatrical song ko is On My Own. So, yes. HR, yes, Leshiel. Nag-submit ka na ba ng request, Charis? Yan naman nung ka po ba mag-gitara? Hindi ko. Sorry. I tried to learn piano or keyboard before, but I forgot. But of course, I know the keys. Hindi lang maganda yung hand coordination ko dahil I have some issues, I think, with my hand. Kahit yung normal na bote, hindi ko siya masyadong mabuksan. So, hindi malakas yung hand ko. Nanginginig siya actually. So, something about me. Kaya hindi ako natuto masyadong mag-instrument kasi mahina yung kamay. So, yeah. I'm just using my voice as an instrument. Yes, voice is an instrument. Charis. Sige, gawan ka namin. Ay, thank you! Ito na. Ayan na. Ay, cute yun! Paano? Kakantayin, heto na. Naging kami kasi. Ay, sige, tatandaan ko yan. Kamukha mo kakilala ko, sino? Lagi actually kahit sa jeep, pag sumakay ako, kamukha ka. Talaga po? Hello po, Ate Yana. Hello, those underscore. Hello. Hanapin nyo, guys. Hanapin namin yan. Hindi naman ako yung main na na-feature. Kasama lang ako doon sa mga na-interview. Ganun. Pero actually, tinawagan nila ako. Hello, Jail! Nandito na naman yung ka-workmate ko. Nagregalo na daw. Check nyo guys, si Jail Vergara. So, since we're in the recruitment department, marami kaming hiring. So, hindi naman ako yung nag-interview, don't worry. So, wala naman tayong nalalabag as a member. So, yung mga members ko, yung mag-i-interview sa inyo. And malay nyo, ako ang mag-onboard sa inyo. Yun yung ako nag-on-board. So, if mag-apply kayo sa akin and matanggap kayo, i-onboard ko kayo. So, yun. Yes. Pag may theater song, MNL48 na Oshibe to Meshibe, ano gusto mo makatuwid with kissing scene? Hoy! Uy! Ano naman yun? Very controversial. Sige, ipapark natin yung question na yan. Pero yung gulat ako, kissing scene agad. Hindi pa po ako pwede sa mature roles. Pabebe. Anong price pag nahanap namin? Anong price? Bakit may price? Sige, cover ng isa pang cover ng Miss Saigon. Kasi nag-cover na ako before ng I'd Give My Life For You eh. Give My Life For You eh. Channel, bawal pa eh sa Instagram. So, 10K, ang dami. So, long way to go. Kaya kailangan mag-post ako. Sorry na guys. Mag-post na tayo. Yes. Hi, Yana. Did you saw my Banday figure sa inyo? Oh, kakakita ko lang ngayon. Sorry. I-repost ko nga siya. Ang cute, oh. HR natin yan. Pwede po ba next live mo ay resume check? Ano yun? Wait lang. Resume check. Yan, tumawa na si Jail. Ipapadala mo ba kami sa Korea if ever? Oh, gagawin kayong kimchi. Joke lang. Ano ba? Yana, hello. Yan, wait lang. Price. Oo nga, no, hindi ko napansin. Price pala dapat. Ang cute! May stamp ng heart. Super fan ka siguro ni Miss Lea. Yes, super fan ako. Grabe talaga nung bata ako. Meron pang join my fan club first. So, meron pa akong actually hindi yun sa akin, sa lola ko yun. Kinukuha ko talaga siya, yung CD ni Lea Salonga. May parang special edition siya ng CD na merong pirma ni Lea Salonga. Hinihiram ko yun, tapos papatugtugin ko sa cassette player ko. Thank you again, Vincent. So, ganun ko. Tapos kinakanta ko yun mag-isa. Siyempre, I have my alone time. Naiya ako pag may tao. So, kinakanta ko siya. Ganun ko siya ka-idol. Yana, next center girl. Uy! Huwag kayong mag-manifest. Thank you naman. So, gamit mo gadget. Actually, sa kapatid ko to. So, hiniram ko. Kasi nga, na-log out ako. So, hindi ko pa siya ma-retrieve doon. For some reasons, di ko alam kung bakit. So, ginagamit ko ay, ano ba to? Xiaomi ata or Huawei na tablet. So, hinintay ko yung next release ng iPhone para bumili ako ng iPhone 16. Siyempre, hindi latest yung bibili natin kasi mahal yung latest eh. Sana magmura yung mga old phone. Ganun ako. So, hindi ako bumibili ng latest. So, yung iPhone ko, iPhone 12 mini. Kasi ayos pa, pero ngayon nga, gumigive up na. So, ayun. Kailangan ko na bumili. MNL48 Leana Salonga. Charis! Kinikilig naman ako. Naka-work na namin si Lea Salonga before 2M asking for... Uy, talaga! Grabe no. Grabe. The prestige. Deserve naman, I think. Wow. Pero wala akong pera para bayaran siya. Siyempre, siguro sa concert, ganyan. Sarili mo na believe cellphone. Of course. Yes. So, I'm a working girl na. Kaya, kahit naman yung mga MNL48 members, natutuwa ako sa, sa 4th generation. Inside joke namin yan. So, about iPhone. Kasi, of course, before, students pa sila. So, when they started earning, bumili na sila ng iPhone. So, wala lang. Lagi ko yung, kahit sa mga brothers and sisters ko, lagi kong nare-remind na, how about buy your own phone? Kasi it's really an achievement. Nakaka-fulfill to buy your own phone. So, sa mga studying pa natin, na mga viewers right now, kung binibilan pa kayo ng parents nyo ng phone, safe, of course, appreciate it, take care of your gadget, but by the time na graduate na kayo and magkaroon na kayo ng new income, yes, buy your own phone, tapos alagaan. Kasi, yun parang, wala lang, for me, very memorable. Pero yung una ko kasing phone, yung ginawa ko yung nanakaw. So, hindi ko na-keep. But keep it, guys. Fully paid na, but of course. Wow. Joke lang. Pero, something about me, I'm not comfortable in borrowing money. Sobrang pag kailangan ko lang siguro doon ako. Pero, I don't use. Maybe in the future, pero hindi kasi ako masyadong magastos na tao. Like, of course, I splurge from time to time whenever I'm traveling, pero I don't use credit card actually. Kasi kinumpute ko. Parang hindi worth it yung yung interest talaga, and then yung bank fees. I don't like it. So, lagi akong fully paid. Uy, pero yun, na tawag dito na clear ko. Ikaw ba yung naiyak sa audition ng Miss Saigon? Hindi, tuwang-tuwa nga ako dun eh. Hindi ako umiyak. Late na pala ako. Hi, Adi. Yes, live pa rin tayo. Hello, Johnny Lee Fortpool. Yes, welcome to my live. Yan, wala na. Na-clear ko na, guys. So, go back na tayo dun sa chine-check ko ng mga kanta. 90s classics. Yun ba? Anong 90s classic? Hindi ko alam yung pinapatugtog dun sa radyo, yung Sunday's Best. Ganyan. Nung bata ako, may mga Sunday's Best. First time watching you, and I think I found my new Oshi after Captain Alice's departure. Uy, thank you! Wow, to be considered is already an honor. Kinikilig talaga ako pag may nagsabi sa akin na, uy, Oshi kita. Ano pa? Hindi naman siguro. Tapos mamaya may iba ka palang Oshi. Selosa. Anyway. Sunday Golden Best. Thank you again, Ban Bodobo. May bago na naman akong Oshi. Uy, thank you. Selosa. Joke lang. Ito naman. Okay lang yan. Basta, pag nagkita-kita tayo, of course, which may happen very soon, I hope na I'll be able to identify you guys. Yun yung goal ko. Actually, whenever I'm doing live, 32 lang naman, or maximum ng viewers ko, 75. Noon pa nga nag-worry ako, maaalala ko kaya sila. So, just tell me, whenever you're gonna see me, like, ako si ganyan, Moshe Blade, ako si Kuya Art, ako si ganyan. I'm gonna remember you guys. So, ay, grabe naman si Vincent. Grabe, may bago kay Oshi. Ako si Yana lang. Wag ganun, guys. O, di ikaw na. Sana nandun ako, Charot. Oo nga, pumunta kayo, guys. Mga Alanis, of course. Yung, say it's true. There's nothing like me and you. Not alone. Tell me you feel it too, and I would run away. I would run away, yeah, yeah. I would run away. Sorry. Nadala na ako. Ganda nun. 'Cause I'm falling in love with you. Charis. O yan na to, present. Hello, small dog. Strict HR ko, mahirap mag-leave. Ako din naman, pag biglaan nag-leave. Ayan, hindi ko pinapayagan. Sungit. Thank you, everyday. Thank you, Emmanuel. Parang alam ko, 2012 ba yun, nung nag-audition ka? Hinata Yuga 48. Yes, it was 2012. I can remember. 2012 ba? Ata. Yeah. So, OMG, tugtugan ko to. Oy, thank you! Kinakanta ko yun usually pag may kinakasal na mga kamag-anak. Yan. Ask lang Yana, ano fave flowers mo at ano meaning nun? I don't like flowers, actually. So, of course, pag may nagbigay sa kanang flowers, na-appreciate ko. And gusto ko sa kanila manggagaling yung meaning. Kasi sila yung nagbigay eh. Right? So, dapat, wow, nag-record. Dapat, na parang, I would appreciate it if you would give me something na, of course, comes from your heart, from you, and why did you give it to me. But, I'm not really a fan of flowers kasi naawa ako sa kanila. Yung tipong yung pag may Valentine's binibigay or event, ganyan. Parang, I would appreciate something na makikip ko for a long time. Pero yung flowers kasi, of course, you need to do effort and for some time mo lang siya makikip. Mamamatay na din siya. Malalanta pala. So, hindi ko siya masyadong bet. Gusto ko yung nakikip ko kasi. Yun lang. 100 days na lang. Pasko na! Merry Christmas! Tingnan nyo. Cute-cute, diba? So, ayan na. Feel ko na yung Christmas. Pero hindi yung weather. Hindi pa. Ang init. Yun. Yan fan interactions and audition stories. Yeah, actually, gusto kong mag-cover. Mag-release ng covers ng mga in-audition ko na songs. So, yeah, number 1 is Seryosa No Memory. Kasi nasa phone ko na yun. Dahil last day na ng audition day ko nakita yung MNL48 audition application form. Naghanap na lang ako ng nakastore sa phone ko na video. So, luckily, nag-record ako ng Seryosa No Memory. For some reasons, hindi ko alam kung bakit ko yun ni-record. Pero yun nga, nung nag-audition ako, in-upload ko na yun. So, that's number 1. Number 2 na audition song ko, Stay With Me. Mayonaka no Duo. Yung kay, yung Stay With Me, Mayonaka no Duo tataki, kaeranai de tonaita, kisatsu ga今目の前 Stay with me 口が騒いだ口が騒いだが愛の時を抱いてayun nakita ko na yan na yung AKMJ. Yeah, so actually tinawagan nila ako, in-invite nila ako, kinausap nila yung parents ko that time kasi nga minor pa ako noon. Sabi nila, pwede ba namin siyang i-feature kasi siya yung pinakabata. So, hindi ako pumayag. Ayoko. Kasi sabi nila, papakita yung situation namin as a family. So, actually, I'm not super fan of, providing information about my family for a short, feature lang. So, that time, even at an early age, very mysterious na ako. Very private na ako. So, hindi ako pumayag. Kaya, may iba silang in-interview. So, pero, nandun pa rin ako sa video na in-interview nila. So, may napanood ako sa 24 oras, 24 oras. Kamukha mo yung na-interview doon. That was 12 years ago. Baka nga ako. Baka. I think ikaw na Oshi ko after umalis si Abby sa group. Uy, grabe naman yung mga ka-level. And Abby, Alice, grabe. Hindi po ako ganun. Di ba? Kailangan kong lumevel para maging deserving to be your Oshi. Pero thank you. Restaging Miss Saigon Audition 2012. Yeah, I think that was it. Kasabayan niya pala sina Francesca Farr at Rachel Ango. Yeah. So, hindi na ako umasa nun, but I really love na, kasi may registration, I think. So, nag-register ako, nabigyan naman ako ng number. So, natuwa ako kasi yung mga kasama ko, si Karil, kasama ko nun si Karil, nandun siya. Sabi ko, uy, grabe. Parang experience yun, pero hindi na ako umasa. Of course. What if nasa paso naman, parang, yes, of course, my mom loves flowers. So, I tried nung pandemic season maging plantita. Pero for some reasons, namamatay sila. Pero, yun nga, binigay ko siya sa mom ko. And now, I'm staying with my mom again, with my parents. So, ayun, siya yung nag-aalaga ng mga plants namin. Ay, ganon. Eddie, don't give her flowers. Build her a garden. Ah, ang sweet. Ang sweet. Grabe. Namamas ko po. Next cover notebook. Uy, hindi ko alam yung song na yun. Sorry, I'll research. Ano yun? City Pop. Yes, I'm a fan of City Pop. Sobrang na-enjoy ko yan. Kahit pakinggan lang. Ang galing naman ng HR center namin. Ako pala yung 5th gen member nyo. Hello, MNF48 makikita. Ang funny. About what ulit yung KMJS episode mo? About dun sa audition ng Miss Saigon that time. Bakit naging kamukha mo na si Kami Oshi Abby? Uy, ang ganda nun na. Tigilan niyo ako. Hindi ako ganun level. Ang ganda-ganda ni Miss Abby. Actually, nakita ko siya, may makeup man o wala. May tulog man o wala. Stress man o hindi. Ang ganda niya. And I think it's yun beauty is not just about, the physical appearance, but it's really, how you exude your confidence or who you are as a person. And Miss Abby is just an amazing person. So, yeah. Si Karil, si Rita, si Rita, nakita ko din that time. I'm a fan of Rita, by the way. She's a very amazing person for me. Si City, yes, nakita ko din si City that time. Uy, alam niyo na, ang galing niyo naman, minutes long. Yan, na-joke kasi yung note mo. Ay, sorry. Hindi ko guess. So, actually, pag nagjo-joke yung 4th gen, medyo slow din ako. Like, ano yun? Tapos, usually, ang dami kong kausap. Ano na ako, I'm used to that. I'm very used to that na marami akong kausap sa work. Like, Miss Lay, ito, blah, 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 Miss Lay, ito. So, ganyan talaga ako makipag-work lagi. So, pag nakikipag-usap sila sa akin, sa mga members, natatawa sila kasi sabi niya, tingnan mo si Hana, tinatry niya talaga kausapin lang. Tapos, hindi niya gets yung joke. Ayun. Mga Detective Conan talaga. Sorry. Ang galing nyo, guys. Mga Sherlock. Uy, fun fact about me. I really love Sherlock Holmes. So, nung bata ako, hindi ko siya mahanap, guys. Meron akong ka-schoolmate. Ka-school service ko siya. Angela pangalan niya. Nakalimutan ko kasi yung last name niya. Si Ate Angela. So, wala siyang masyadong friend for some reasons. Hindi ko alam eh. Hindi ko matandaan bakit. Because maybe she has a very strong personality. She's a little geek, similar with me. So, naalala ko nasa top section nung grade niya. So, ako din naman, nasa top section ako. So, lagi kami magkasama sa library. Tapos, we're playing, grade 1 pa lang ako nun, grade 6 na siya. So, we're playing like, ako si Moriarty. Ay, not Moriarty. Sino yung assistant ni Dr. Watson. Ako si Dr. Watson. Siya si Sherlock. So, nagsasolve kami kunyari ng mystery problems. Sa school namin. Kasi malaki yung school namin. So, nagbabasa kami ng Sherlock Holmes. So, actually, meron akong yung makapal na book ng Sherlock Holmes. Pati yung mga series ng Sherlock Holmes because I really am a fan of Sherlock Holmes. Yeah, si Dr. Watson ako. Pero ngayon, syempre, gusto ko ako si Sherlock. Yeah. Paano mo discover MNL48? First time ko manood ng live mo. Hi, Rai! So actually, I am already familiar of MNL48 even when they debut. Kasi syempre meron silang show sa Showtime, so laging nanonood yung family ko na Showtime. But that time, I didn't have the confidence to audition. And yeah, I was studying that time. Medyo sinet aside ko yung passion ko in performing that time. So, actually, yung audition ko sa Miss Saigon, that's why it was very important because it was the last audition that I did before ako bumalik sa pagpe-perform, which is theater. It was long time ago, maybe 7 years. So, 7 years ako hindi kumanta, hindi nag-perform. I was just working. So, when theater opportunity came after pandemic, I realized the importance of arts and music nung pandemic season. So, when we got back, doon ako bumalik. Yes. Yun lang, story about it. So, remember me from Mega? Yes, Johan, I remember you. Naabutan din ng live ni Miss Yana. Hello, user 9966550. Grabe naman, magpangalan. So, there, hi! So, good evening, Ate Yana. How does it feel na part ka ng MNL48? Carl Adam 31. Actually, every day that I wake up, when I remember that I'm part of MNL48, similar pa rin yung feeling ko on day 1. Parang sabi ko, maybe because hindi pa ako masyadong nakakapag-perform. That's why hindi ko pa masyadong na-internalize. Kasi nandun pa rin ako na parang feeling ko, wow, I did it. Wow, some people appreciate me and my talent. And wow, nabigyan ako ng chance. Napili ako amongst, other people who may be more deserving. But I was picked. There was a reason. So every day, of course, I start with that thought, and then that's what motivates me to prepare for the day, to training, for example, or take care of myself, of course. So, yun po. Cute naman yung tanong. I like it. Paano mo wala na. Okay na. Just call me Carl Badiana. Hi, Carl! Yes. I hope that you can always watch my live. So, there. First time kita nakita. Perform kayo soon sa school ko nung junior high school. Yeah, I hope so na magkaroon kami ng ganong activities. So, of course, why not? I'm always been a fan since 2020. Wow! Sino yung Kami Oshi mo? Sige nga, lapagan ng Kami Oshi. Wow! Nag-threat. Yes. Okay. 41 na, wow! Ang solid ng 40 people. Grabe. Wait lang. Tingnan ulit natin yung mga comments. Yan. Wala masyado Ito, si Rick _Sue. Hi! Thank you for always tagging me sa mga repost mo. So, I remember you, Rick, soon. So, I hope that I can see you soon. So, sabi niya, morning, oh my pumpkin, rain, German Irish, Hinatazaka 46, night, Minatoku, parsley, Sakurazaka 46. Wow, very specific naman. Yes. Thank you for sharing. Ayan, nag-aano ako guys, nagbabasa ako. Pakita ko sa inyo. Kami Oshi. Before kami, Oshi Abby now, wala pa. Baka ikaw, uy, thank you naman, Dream! Wala pa ako kami, Oshi. Baka ngayon meron na. Ah, yes! Choose your Kami Oshi wisely, Charis! Yes, but I hope the one that you choose is someone, of course, who will inspire you every day. Yung support nyo, may patutunguhan, of course, because let's be honest, the time that you're giving to us just from watching our lives, yung mga gifts na binibigay nyo, of course, that's coming from your own pockets, from your own efforts. Time is gold. So, I hope that, of course, yung susuportahan nyo, they give something for you as well. Motivation, yung, inspiration to always get you keep going every day. Ngayon kami, Oshi, secret. Ay, nagsa-secret pa si Eddie Meow. Okay. Okay. Wishlist. Anong wishlist po? Tulog. Number one wishlist is tulog talaga, guys. Promise. Grabe. Promise, parang siguro sa may bakasyon kasi kami sa December. So, promise matutulog ako. That's number one wish list. So, actually, natatawa ako. Kwento ko lang sa inyo. Nung always to, in all the companies that I've joined, every time that I get promoted, they would always ask, parang, what's your motivation? Blah, blah, blah. What keeps you going? Or principle, like that. Ako talaga, I always aim to be able to sleep peacefully at night. So, sleep is very important for me kasi there are reasons why you won't be able to sleep well. So, those are the things na iniiwasan ko talaga para makatulog ako ng maayos. So, yes, number one, sleep. Yes. And of course, to be able to perform more. I'm really looking forward for that. Iba yung fulfillment talaga na nabibigay. And, yeah. Nakita ko entry ko doon. Yeah. Dapat ako kami. Yun. May Kami, pero grad na siya. Yes, actually ako din. Kami Oshi ko si Ate Shekti. Paano makatulog? Paano makatulog, guys? Ang dami. Sleep is for the weak. True naman siya, but it's a need. Matulog kayo, guys. Sleep is the best medicine. Yes, and also laughter. It's true. Soldiers of life. Oo. I don't know sleep. Pare-pares pala tayo nandito eh. 9:48 na. Hi yan. Sino ba nag-composition of Oh My Pumpkin? So, composition, I think they are from AKB48. But yung translation, actually, meron ba nakalagay sa credits? Hindi din kasi introduce sa amin, actually. So, even if there's one person na gumawa ng translation, in-approve pa yun ng AKB. So, I think, ganun talaga yung process ng All for TH. So, sa kanila talaga nanggagaling. So, what time is your life ended po, Ate? Gusto mo na ba? De, joke lang. Nagalit. Extend kahit minute lang. Yes, I'm gonna end my life 10 p.m. Okay? Uy, ang haba nun, no? Almost 2 hours, First time mom si Shex. Hi, Rixu! You're here! Napapasarap pa siya sa live. Di, actually, gusto ko 2 hours talaga ako mag-live. So, all weekdays, medyo busy lang kasi may work. Yes. Pero, and sometimes may training kami weekdays. So, yes. Wala na tayong mapag-usapan. Tama na. Tulog na. Paano kayo matulog? Student po, Ate Yana. Student of life. Charis. Yeah, not anymore. Not anymore. I'm a working girl now, so a little bit about me is aside from me being part of MNL48 as a fourth generation member. By the way, guys, for those new, I'm MNL48 Yana. So I'm part of fourth generation MNL48. So aside from it, I am HR head of two companies. So yeah, ayun yung ginagawa ko. I'm usually, ang forte ko po is recruitment. But actually, I also do operations management. So, ayun yung ginagawa ko ngayon, guys. Of course, kasama sa responsibilities ko is learn further. So, I attend like workshops. That's why I go to other countries sometimes. I attend conferences. And, yeah, to network with other companies. Ganun, ginagawa. Yeah. Can you type the green version na parang sisig? Ay, thank you. Hindi ako marunong mag-type. Wait lang. Ano ba yan? Ang random na ng question. Sobra. And I like it. I hope you like it too. Amy! Hello! Si Coco. Ayan. Ang dami nga yung brother ko. Ano din yun? Oshi niya si Coco. Wait lang, paano ba mag-type? Hindi ko alam eh. Struggle is real. Akala ko kasi magsasalita lang. Ano ba? Oo na. Ay, may na-discover ako may mga backgrounds. Ayan o. Laro. Yoko na nga. Ganito pala. Kakapalit lang ng konti na sa kusod pa. Binili ko yan eh. Ay, may mga effects. Wow, grabe naman yung Ayoko na nga. Huwag na tayo mag-filter. Ina-explore ko lang, sorry. Stickers. Ay, may mga stickers pala. Ayan o, tingnan nyo. Naglagay ako ng sticker. Request a song. Mag-live ka ba tomorrow? My next live, let me check my schedule. Wow! Let me check my schedule, guys. So, my next interactive live actually is with MNL48 Dina, MNL48 Cole, MNL48 Claril. But it may change pa rin naman. So, I'm so excited for it as well. So, hold on. Yung next live ko ay wag na daw mag-live. Joke. Wala pa kami schedule for next live. So, yung interactive live lang, catch me on September 20! That's a Saturday, guys. So, manood kayo. Wala kayong dahilan. Walang pasok na. Unless, kayo, rest day OT or may shift kayo ng, Saturday. Pero manood kayo. Hindi pwedeng hindi. Ang sungit! Are you currently home or overseas? Hello, Joe! You're here! Asking for a friend next to me. I'm already at home. So, I'm a YouTuber po, pero beginner pa naman po. Oh, good job, Carl! Keep it going. So, lumalabas na naman, Tita Mars. Kailan next training nyo? Marami. Actually, sunod-sunod na. So, secret, of course. Please shout out my Thailand friend, Uniqlo48. Hi, at Uniqlo48. Uniqlo48 lang pala. Can you spell the Korean sisig? Otulpyo. Hold on, I will share with you guys. Otulpyo. Ako may pasok nun. Koka naman. Huh? Odolpyo. Odolpyo. siya ma-search or Odolpio ata. Odolpio. Hindi siya ma-search for some reasons. Bakit ganun? Weird. Korean food. Hindi ko siya ma-search, guys. Ayan. Odolpio. Odolppyo. Ayan. Odolpio. Yun na, guys. Odolpio. Yun. Ito, guys. Papakita kasi. Ganyan siya. Kita nyo. Sarap. Ang anghang. Hi, Sunny Miss Ma'am. Yes, magkakaroon na ako ng Interactive Live Season 2. Thank you again, Eddie Meow. Yes, sunod-sunod na, guys. Hi, Rixu. Thank you. Fire. Thank you. Yes, Odolpio. Right. Double P daw. Double P. Thanks, Grim. So, yes, just 3 minutes left before I end our live. So, user, blah, 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 for Jen Rambulan sa live, sa iLive. Gusto ko nga eh. Sorry naman. Hindi tayo naka-attend that time, I think. Or hindi natuloy, yes. So, but soon, of course. 3K na lang, 100K na hearts, 100K hearts na. Sige na, pindutan na! Ang pangit na! Pindut na, guys! Push the button. Thoughts on Milk Club? Sorry, Milk Club. Good night song bago mag-end. Yes, I want to have a good night song before time again. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Tap, tap na, guys. Please, tap, tap. Tap, tap naman. Sorry naman. Oh, sorry na. Anyong yanamnida. Hello. Yun. Okay. Pindutan na. Sorry na. Naalala ko kasi yung pindutan na sa parang one show na may ganon. Yes. Parang naalala ko one show na gumagawa nun. So, anyway. So, before we end our session live, no? Ano bang katay natin? Request a song. Dali na, guys. Nag-put na nga ako ng sticker. I don't know kung tama. Diyan ba? Yeah. Hindi ko mahanap yung Miss Saigon edition mo. Tanggal mo na sticker, Eme. Oo nga. Golden. Okay. Give Love on Christmas Day. Uy, why not? Ano bang uunahin ko? Kinanta ko na yung yung Golden. So, kantayin naman natin yung Give Love on Christmas Day. Ang aga, pero okay. Okay. Ito. People making lists, buying special gifts, taking time to be kind to one and all. It's the time of year when good friends are near, and you wish you could give more than just presents from the store. Why don't you give love on Christmas Day? Oh, even the man who is everything would be so happy if you would bring him love on Christmas Day. No greater gift is there than love. Give me love. Pakinda ng mga sobre nyo. Yes po. Mamamas ko po. Thank you. Thank you. Ang Okay, so that concludes. That ends our live, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's live. So thank you again sa mga questions nyo and for answering my questions as well, for talking to me. Yon. So I hope that you had a great week, and let's start the week right. No nega. Okay? Focus lang tayo sa work. And of course, with our family, spend time as well. So I'll let you go now so that you can have good sleep. Wow. Parang importante. So good night, everyone. Have a good sleep. And sana mapanaginipan niyo ako. Thank you. Thank you so much. See you on my next live, and also for our iLive on September 20. So bye-bye. Ilan yung live? Uy, naka 100k hearts tayo. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Ang mabait ninyo. Thank you. Okay, so bye. Picture pala tayo. Daming. Oh my pumpkin, nandiyan ka. Charis. Sige na, bye na talaga. Koreana yan, oh. Sige na, bye. Bye. Tumingin ba ako sa camera? Hindi ko kasi ito palang camera. Okay, picture. Arte. Sige na. Bye na. Ayaw na talaga. Oo nga, yung sticker, hindi ko alam. Ayan, tanggalin natin. Sorry. Yan na. Roar. Sige na, ayaw na talaga. Sige na, bye. 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 Thank you. Good night. See you. 1, 2, 3.